How to make keto pork and radish hash. The ingredients: 2 teaspoon coconut oil, 8 large eggs, 2 tablespoon olive oil, half medium onion, diced, 8-ounce radish, diced, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin, 16-ounce ground pork. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the coconut oil and fry the eggs over easy. Once done, set aside and keep warm. 3. In the same skillet, add the olive oil, onion, radishes, oregano, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Stir this together and let cook for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Add the ground pork into the frying pan. Break up and stir. Let cook for 5 to 8 minutes or until there is no pinker. 5. Plate the over easy eggs and serve with the ground pork. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of keto pork and radish hash. Each serving comes out to be 558 calories, 44 grams fat, 3.4 grams net carbs, and 33.1 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.